Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to configure a multi-factor authenticator for a specific user in your Office 365 or Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So let's say you want to actually make sure that a specific user, when a user tries to actually sign in to Office, the user is actually forced to configure a multi-factor authentication, which is on his email or on his account. So what you need to do, first of all, you can see we have the option here called multi-factor authentication. But if I click on this user's account, let me just click on Lotte account and I scroll down, you can see we have, it says manage multi-factor authentication. So if I click on that, it's going to take me to a new browser here where we call the accounts.activedirectory.windows.azure.com. So here you can see it says multi-factor authentication, and I can actually select the account of Lotte. And here we can say manage users settings. We can say require selected user to provide contact method again, delete all existing apps password generated by the selected users, or we can restore multi-factor authenticator. Let me just click cancel. But I want to actually enable, says about enabling multi-factor authentication. Please read the deployment guide if you have not already. If your users do not regularly sign in through the browser, you can send them to this link to register for multi-factor authenticator. So I'm just going to enable that. It says multi-factor is now enabled for the selected account. So click close. So here you can see it says enable, and for the other users you can see say multi-factor authenticator status is disabled. But for this specific user, you can see that the multi-factor is enabled, and also we can actually enforce it. I'm going to enforce the multi-factor authenticator also, and it's now successful. Let me just click that again, and you can see we can actually disable the multi-factor authenticator. So the next time Lotte actually try to log on for the first time using the browser or even configuring Outlook or Office, he will be required to actually configure a multi-factor authentication for her account. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related videos. Bye.